Hello guys, in today's videos we will learn how to use and set up the AuthVaultix Python authentication system. This system is used for software protection, login verification and licensing. So what is AuthVaultix? AuthVaultix is a custom authentication system that helps secure Python application. It allows you to provide users with login access, license verification and full access control. And the best part, it supports 13 plus language, making it easy to use across different environments. I'm using a pre-made example. In this project, there are mainly two files. man.py handles the application logic, authvaultix.py handle the core authentication system. Setup requirements. Before getting started, make sure Python is installed. The project is downloaded from GitHub. Now let's run the project. Open your terminal and execute the following commands. If everything is set up correctly, the program will start successfully. Now let's understand the complete authentication flow. First, input is taken from the user such as username, password. After that, the system verifies these details through authvaultix.py. Next, we will show you step by step how to register, how to log in and how to log in using a license keys. You can start using AuthVaultix today by visiting authvaultix.com. Download the SDK and integrate it into your app and secure your software in a minute. If you have any problem, you can use a built-in support chat on our website or join Discord server of direct help from the team. Thanks for watching.